Before he heals, before he provides, before he opens doors, before he answers prayers, he is. God never becomes anything. He reveals who he has always been. So before we declare who we are, we declare who he is. Before the mountains had a name, before the stars began to shine, before the earth began its story, you were holy all the time. You were never searching, you were never changing. You have always been the same, forever faithful, forever worthy, forever great is your name. You are not becoming, you have always been the beginning and the ending, the first and the last, forever. He is King, Lord, Father forever, holy, worthy, the name above all names. Because he is, we are children of God. Because he is, we are called by his name. Because he is, we are walking in purpose. Because he is, we belong to the King. I need somebody to hear this tonight. Your identity was never supposed to come from your circumstances. You are not who your past says you are. You are not who your mistakes say you are. You are not who your failures say you are. You are not who your bank account says you are. You are not who people rejected you and said you were. You are not even who your worst day says you are. You are who the King says you are. And the King says you are loved, you are chosen, you are forgiven, you are his. We are his. You are my refuge in the storm. You are my strength when I am weak. You are the Father running toward me when I could barely find my feet. You don't change with every season. You don't leave when shadows come. Your kingdom stands forever. Your will on earth be done. You are not becoming, you have always been the faithful God forever, the same through every generation. He is King, Lord, Father forever, We honor. Who is He? The great I am. Who is He? He is faithful. Who is He? So we stand. Who is He? He is Father. Who is He? So we belong. Who is He? So we surrender. Who is He? So we are loved. Who is He? So we are loved. Who is He? We are King. We are Lord. We are every nation lift His name. We are Father. He is holy. Forever He reigns. Because He is, we are sons and daughters. We are. Because He is, we are citizens of heaven. We are. Because He is, we are ambassadors of His kingdom. We are. Jesus forever reigns. Before anything else, who is He? He is King. And because He is, who are we? We are His. He